Hi, I'm Allie,
Hi, I'm Hannah.
and we are going to show you what is new this month at Potomacbeads.com. So this month we have a couple of new kits that you can purchase at Potomac Beads, and we have the
Charleston bracelet. And then we also have the cascading hearts. You might recognize that from the kit subscription box if you're one of our subscribers. And then the twisted tubular herringbone. We have that in purple and red colorways.
Nice. And these kits, when you're looking at them, they all come with the detailed instructions. A better way to get the cascading hearts is just to subscribe, because by the time you get one or one and a half kits, you're already going to benefit from the cheaper version in the subscription. But they have the detailed colored instructions on them, link to it as well. And then they also have...
They always come with thread and needle as well.
Yep, and any wire if you need that. So when you're looking at the kits, they are a complete collection of the tutorial, the paper, your supplies that you need, and everything you need to make the kits, whether or not you're doing the Charleston, the cascading earrings, or either color of the tubular twisted herringbone.
So another thing that we've received new in the warehouse is some new Potomac Picks. We've gotten some cool new fun shapes, such as squares. We have our typical Czech faceted rounds, bigger size Czech faceted rounds, some hearts, and then some pony beads, and some breast cancer awareness beads.
And these are fun because the Potomac Picks, if you're looking for those, are beads that are usually in limited supply and limited quantity, that are going to be very unique, and you usually can't get them again. So get them while they're there. I especially love the fun shape of these, that they do look a little bit like you said, like sea glass. They would go with that. They're top drilled and they're flat. So they're about the shape of one of the tile beads, but they have just that one hole through the top. This is a really cool coating. It's that spice ginger. When the swirl beads, when they make these, you're not guaranteed ever to get them again, because they take the canes of glass through the actual machine and mix it as it's making. So that's why each one is going to look a little bit different, because the glass actually swirls a tiny bit different. This one's really pretty. I love this one.
Yeah, I love that.
That's multicolored swirl, and they're in a 10 millimeter, great for basic beading, and fun to try to like line up and look at them and create earring pairs as well. Pony beads are fun because they're going to be a big hole. So if you're doing a craft or you want something to go over top, these are the large opal ones. And then I really like these cancer awareness ones here, that they have the ribbon. You can make earrings that it's going straight up and down. You could do a bracelet with them. And then, like Hannah said, 10 millimeter faceted Czech rounds. And these are jet Celsian. So they have like, what do you call that? Purple?
Yeah, I'd say almost like a purple iris.
Like a purple iris to half of them when you look at them. So the Potomac Picks, you want to make sure to check back and look monthly, because we change those up and you get a different sampling of things that have come.
So another cool thing that we've recently got into the warehouse is our new Czech glass vintage buttons. We have some cats now, and they come in 27 millimeter and 23 millimeters, and we have it in gray and purple.
And I love these little cats. So these are vintage Czech buttons, and you're going to get 2 in each pack. So you'll get a pack of 2 of the 27 or 2 of the 23 in the lavender and those gray. And it's just a really, really cute. I'm moving it all around because I want to show that pretty lavender color. That again, it's a little bit of that glass mix. So it's going to be, sometimes it's going to be a little bit lighter purple, sometimes a little bit darker. And then the same with that gray. It's almost a custom color rather than a standard rod color. So these cats, if you do any sort of knitting or any sort of crocheting, or want to just change the buttons out on a sweater or on a scarf or anything, these are really cute for that. You can certainly use them jewelry making, but I think if you're a crafter out there, these buttons are really, really cute. I want to name them. I keep thinking like, oh, this is Tom, and this is Twirly, and this is, and we'll name all of our cat buttons. But this is the first of some really unique buttons that we're going to be adding onto the site. The last thing we're going to talk about this month are these new acrylic EZ Bead Sorters. So they come in black or crystal, although why do they look like this?
The reason why they look like this, Allie, is because they come with a protective coating on them. So once you receive them, they're not going to be scratched or dented or anything, and you'll just be able to peel that protective coating off.
Yep, so you see that kind of brown on it. It usually will have lines or say something on it. I find the easiest method to do is to take my bead reamer and just like pull up the side a tiny little bit, and it comes right off. So you'll see it inside here, but you can see on the edge whether or not they're the clear or the black. And I like both. I can't decide which one I like better because on my bead mat, the black definitely shows up a little bit better. I have it on my bead on it board here. And the idea with these is that you can lay it on a bead on it board that's going to be 6 by 11 or bigger.
Right.
So that's the size kind of that it'll be limited to. And they have 16 spaces or numbers. So a lot of you that do those crazy patterns where you have like, 16 different delicate colors.
Yeah.
You gather those orders. When you have like 16 different
Yes.
delicate colors that you're gathering up, these are really great to just lay a little bit of beads in there at a time. So if I say, bead number 1 in my pattern is going to be my crystals, I just put my crystals in that little sorter. And then this works perfectly when you get your bead back, you turn that on. And then when you go to vacuum up each little square, you just go to just that individual square, vacuum it up, turn it off, take it off, dump it back into the package, go to the next one, vacuum, vacuum, vacuum. So not only does it keep them separated, it also makes it easy to clean them
up. Yeah, keep it organized.
Keep it organized. This is the first of many acrylic products too that we will be bringing to PotomacBeads.com. Thanks so much for joining us in this month's little product reveal. Remember, there's so much more on the website as well.
Yeah, thank you for watching us showcase these new kits and these new beads and our new EZ sorters that we have on the floor.
We have more and more tools, more supplies, and more amazing things coming to Potomac Beads every single month, really almost every single day.
Every day.
Every day things are coming in.
Yep.
So make sure if you want to, you can comment below, let us know what you would love to see or for us to develop new products, as well as don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything from us here at Potomac Beads. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you, Hannah.
Thank you, Allie.
And we'll catch you next month.